Hi everyone, today I'm going to showcase latest ship which I built in MineEngineer, and this ship is utilizing the latest systems I built and added. So apparently I've been adding so many blocks, new blocks into the game, and I didn't have time to showcase and write a guidebook for explaining how to use them. So instead I built this ship, and you would be able to check every block and settings inside that to learn how to use it. So instead of showing and explaining each block's feature, I will just showcase what it can do. So as you can see, this ship has four main doors, and on each side of each door, we have sensors. So each sensors and doors with pistons, they run through the programmable block. So what is the programmable block? I call it programmable station. It's basically the operational computer of the spaceship or the base, which has a bunch of nodes and conditions and actions which you can perform through this kind of flow logic. It looks very complicated, but once you understand each node and section, you would be able to very easily to navigate through it. So basically what it does, it has a check node which runs operation every zero point 0.5 seconds. You can change it up to 0.1 second. So it checks different conditions for each block, which is specified here, and runs specific operations. So for example, we have a sensor block here, which checks whether this area of the ship, like the small area. So for example, let me just show you what each, yeah, you can see it on the left side of the screen. We can change the detection area here and also change the type of detection. So each of the sensor basically fills and checks this area of the same faction character. So in case it's the same faction character, it will open the door and wait for 3 seconds and then close this piston, close this door. The next thing which I connected here is the big hull, uh, door, and I also connected the sensor with the screen. And this display actually runs another bunch of operations. So it checks, uh, change the text to the scanning, and give it the access. So you can see, right? After 3 seconds, it should close automatically and make the text by default as access verification. Change the text with green. What else? The ship can fly, but it's very heavy, it's very big, and apparently on Earth it would not fly, but we can check it on the moon later. And it has gravity, right? And you would be very surprised. Oh, why? Why it has gravity? Because we're in space now. It doesn't have. Shouldn't have. So because we added a new block, it's called gravity block. You can actually set up the gravity around yourself, the specific limit. Even it has even a shift. The gravity block only works on in space. Yeah. So I just started to set up this ship functionality just out of my imagination, but the game has a lot of different blocks, so you can learn from each block functionality. Each functionality actually exposed. Each block has so many different features that you would need time to learn. Yeah, MineEngineer never been focused to be easy. It's all about engineering. So everything what you see on the screen, it has a lot of different interconnections. So we have a fuel system, we have a conveyor system, we have automations. Like in Factorio, we can optimize things. So let me just show you what I did. This ship actually has another feature called extendable Docker. So we can actually open the door and extend the Docker. Haven't connected the Docker extension yet. Basically, it should automatically extend till maybe twice of its length. Yeah. So yeah, now I found the bug. So basically, when the parse some, yeah, I will resolve it. Anyway, so let's test out our ship in space, and then we will fly. Let's fly to the moon. Let's teleport it. It's my cheat panel for debugging, but I will expose it into the full version of the game. It will be called creative. So let's teleport. So let me just double check. We'll try to go full force upwards. As I can see, our directional speed doesn't decrease, and we landed on the moon. We actually crashed on the moon. Yeah. So apparently, moon moon's gravity is still too much for this ship. Anyway, apart from this block, I also added two chairs here that you can sit with your friends and chit chat. Yeah, I'm just excited for new blocks and new systems, and let's find out, guys, uh, what you can build with it. The demo of MineEngineer is available for free. I will be releasing the beta test version soon. And please let me know if you find any bugs. I'm working on it every night, every sleepless night, especially if you tell me that you found a bug, I will resolve it. And I'm open to hear any suggestions from you. I forgot to tell you that everything what you build here and see on the screen in MineEngineer is fully destructible, and blocks interconnected with everything, with every system inside. Thank you very much. It was our first official devlog. I never did devlogs before, but yeah, let's make sure I will do it more.